The residential exam is notoriously challenging, with less than 50% of candidates passing on their first attempt. The key to success lies in understanding the 3 levels of knowledge: memorizing, understanding, and applying. Let's dive into the top 5 questions you must master. First, know the landlord-tenant relationship. Identify the background, who's liable, and the necessary actions to resolve disputes. Next, understand how additional buyer's stamp duty, or ABSD, is calculated. Stay updated on current policies, as examiners love to test your knowledge on recent changes. Third, grasp the fundamentals of land law, know the types of properties and rights of way. Fourth, memorize essential laws using mind maps to simplify complex information. Lastly, learn the proper procedures for safely transacting property. Engaging with a mentor can accelerate your learning. Master these areas, and you'll significantly boost your chances of passing the residential exam.